Okay, none of this is very complicated, but I guess this is more about working smart than anything. Here's the cover, just as it came off. The brass cover. It's not particularly worn, but there is a little bit of calcium buildup on here, not much. And we'll go down here and we'll look at the impeller, and you're seeing it, and I won't see it really until I look at the video, because I can't hang upside down like a tree sloth. But anyway, what I did was, I'm presuming you're watching this because you knew how to do it already, you wouldn't be watching it. I took a couple of sponges and wedged them in there, and then to give a little support to this rag, and draped this rag across here and tucked it under there. Because if I lost one of those damn screws, I didn't want to have to fish around in the bilge, which is physically very difficult for me to do. I'm not spry, and it's a long way down. So I just put the rag there to catch the screws in case I dropped one. I didn't, but I hadn't pulled the impeller out yet, so something could still drop.